All right, example 2 for the solving absolute value equations. Starts the same way. I need to isolate my absolute value before I start doing any red box stuff. So I'm going to get rid of this 6 by doing the inverse. Bring everything else down. Okay, I need to get rid of my -3 that's multiplying by this, so the inverse is divide. So now I've got and I'm going to stop. I'm at my red box moment, but I hope that if you get to a point like this, sirens start going off in your head and you start thinking of something immediately. Does anybody see what the problem with this is?
It equals a negative.
This negative number in the back is a huge problem. And think about it, ignore the algebra inside here. Picture that being a red box. If this was just a red box, what could that red box equal to give us a -4 out here?
4.
If it was a 4, the absolute value of 4 would keep it +4. It never switches it negative. If it was a -4 in here, then that would switch it back to positive, and this would be a +4 right here also. You have to recognize this to be able to just stop here. Okay, but if you isolate your absolute value, there's nothing around it, so you're at your red box moment, and you notice that your red box equals a negative number, you stop, and you write no solution. And what this would look like if I put it on the graph was what I showed earlier on the first video, was that we would have our V, and our horizontal line would not intersect with our V. It would be below it or above it so that it was not intersecting with it. What if you don't recognize that it equals a negative there? I pray, great answer. Okay, I pray, even if you didn't recognize, if you wrote down your red box, 2x minus 4 equals -4, wrote it down again, 2x minus 4 equals +4, you got rid of your absolute value bars. If you solved them both, you're going to get an answer for both. But I pray that you always check on Desmos, and if you saw that picture of a V where your line's not intersecting, that should be your moment where you say, oh crap, I messed up, there's no solution here because they don't intersect. And then you can go back and look for this moment where your absolute value equaled a negative number. Okay.